Problem with the board?
No, sir.
You are able to see, no?
No, sir.
So before going through the text, let us see some pictures. First of all, see this picture. This is, you see, a man with a camel, and this is Rajasthan. Rajasthan, one desert is shown. This is the tree, khajur you call it, or in English it is called date palm. It is the particular vegetation of the desert. This side you see oasis. Oasis means a fertile area inside the desert. See this one. Oasis means a fertile area within the desert. There you see water is there. Some plants are there around. Okay. Then you see there is another picture. This type of trees are mostly found in desert. Why? Because cactus. This is the cactus. Page number 36 to 18 you see. Cactus plant is there because it can grow without water. That's why in desert areas it is found. So what is a desert? So for us common man, desert is an endless stretch of sand. One. In the desert there is no water, no plants, no animals, only it is dry and hot. Second point. Third, there may be cold desert, there may be hot desert. In geography you might have read about cold and hot desert. So there may be cold desert, there may be hot desert. You please write down in the notebook. Okay. We will go to the next. You please copy all this in your notebook. When you write question answers, these tips will be very useful for you. Clear? Okay. Please write down. I am waiting.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Now you please open the textbook. It is page number 15, the desert. Okay. So these are the characteristics of desert. 4 I have written. This is common idea. But according to specialists, desert also is a beautiful place. There also many types of plants and animals they grow, and also flowers also bloom in the deserts. So many people they prefer to remain in the desert. It is just like a landform. So our negative idea about the desert should not be there, according to some specialists. Okay, we will go to the next page now. So this is today we will finish the part 1. Those of us who live in the region covered with forest and surrounded by leaves, hills, may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is like, really like. Surrounded means encircled. So surrounded is encircled. So suppose you are living in a mountain and hilly area, all greenery like Rautbhatta, you will not understand what is a desert, because from birth we have not seen what is sand, what is a desert, how the date palm grows. All this we have not seen, so we cannot have proper idea about deserts. Those of us who live in regions covered with forest and surrounded by hills may find it difficult to imagine what a desert is really like. The popular belief is that it is an endless stretch of land. Stretch means continuous expanse, SPRETCS. Continuous expanse is called stretch. Means unending. You may tell it unending stretch of desert. Unending stretch. Because in the desert, what will happen? Wherever you see, you will see only sand. This is the characteristics of the desert, where no rain falls and therefore no vegetable grows. So what happens? How rain occurs? In geography, you might have read, when the rays of the sun falls, the water becomes gas. So it goes up. It goes up, accumulates, becomes clouds. When it comes into contact with cold wind, it falls as rain. Clear? This is layman's idea. But in desert, what happens? The topmost surface is so hot. The topmost surface is so hot, it evaporates. Clouds do not occur at all. Clouds also require some degree of temperature to become clouds. So what happens? There, at least there is no temperature. So the temperature is so much that it evaporates. As a result, what happens? No rain. So deserts remain endless for many days. And therefore no vegetable grows. Vegetable means plants. Vegetation is plants. So in geography, you call it flora and fauna. Flora and fauna, animals and plants. Followed. So if you are living in an area where many trees are there, you will not know what is a desert. So desert is simply an endless stretch of sand, non-ending. Wherever you see, you will see only sand. There is no rainfall. As a result, what happens? Vegetation is scanty. Very less trees are there. Okay. But this is not it is dry, hot, waterless without shelter, but this is not correct for those who have studied it. The desert can be a beautiful place. So some people say desert can be home to variety of plants, animals. Okay, so some people say it is not correct because the desert also can be a beautiful place and many plants, animals, they grow there. Why? Because if you are able to adjust yourself with the hot and dry condition. Deserts are hot, deserts are also dry. So hot and dry. So if you are able to adjust yourself to the hot and dry climates, you can survive in the deserts. So at the outset, we knew what is a desert and what is the common people's idea about desert and how the desert can be beautiful. At the same time, how different kinds of plants, animals also can live in desert. Clear? This is all about first paragraph. Any doubt is there, you please convey to me in first paragraph. We will go to the second paragraph.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, very nice. So the second paragraph, let us go. Okay, very nice. Oh, I am becoming side, you can see the board. Second is that true, the ground is not always hidden by a cover of grass. So you will not see grass in the desert. We are seeing the grass in the Rautphata, lot of grass. Wherever there is land, it is covered with grass. But it is not the case with the desert. In the desert, what happens? You will not see grass. Plants and trees as it is in other climate. But whenever it rains, which is rare, desert flowers bloom. Bloom means they bloom. Desert flowers, they bloom. And the site can be rewarding as that of any tropical garden. Site means the scenery. Site means the scenery. So, in the deserts, rain is always very less. True. And also, it is not covered with grass. It is true. But sometimes rainfall occurs, and in the desert also, you will see many flowers blooming. That is a beautiful scenery. Like any scenery, any park, any forest, whatever pleasure you will get by watching, same thing you will get by while watching the desert. Clear?
सर
Yes.
सर आपने जो हॉट ड्राई लिखा है साइड में तो वो किस लाइन में है?
Oh, which one? Which one? You please loudly. You see, I am not able to hear.
सर
Yeah.
आपने बोर्ड पे जो हॉट ड्राई लिखा है वो किस लाइन में है?
Why to?
सर आपने बोर्ड पे लिखा है ना हॉट ड्राई.
Please send by WhatsApp. Huh? Okay, I am not able to hear. Okay, so this third paragraph, let us go. A desert is not always a flat, unchanging, restless, dry place. So let us go to the third paragraph about deserts. So the desert is not always flat, unchanging wasteland of dry sand. It may have mountains and hills. So, what is an oasis? A fertile area within a desert. In Hindi, you call it Marudyan. Marudyan means oasis. So there may be mountains. Okay. So there may be mountains inside the desert. So what is an oasis? It is like a green island in the middle of a desert where spring or well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Spring or well. Source of water. Okay. So in oasis, what happens? Oasis is a fertile area inside the desert. So what happens there? If you pass through the desert, you will see the travelers. They take rest in the oasis. Why? It is a green area surrounded with plants, and also there is source of water. Okay, that's why oasis people prefer to take rest in the oasis. So what is an oasis? It is a fertile area inside the desert. Okay. An oasis is like a green island in the middle of a desert where a spring or a well gives plants and trees a better chance to grow. Because plants need water, human beings need water, animals need water. So without water, nobody can survive. So what happens in oasis? Either that may be a spring or maybe a well which is providing the water. A desert may be hot like the Thor, cold like Ladakh, but generally speaking, if a place has little or no water or vegetation, people usually call it desert. So it is wrong to say desert is hot or cold. So, let us make a general definition of desert. What is it? A place with little or no water. A place with little or no water and vegetation. It's called a
सर आप क्वेश्चन आंसर करा रहे हैं?
no. Inside the book only I am writing. Please note down in the notebook. So suppose there it may be hot desert, hot desert, hot desert, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, there may be a hot desert or a cold desert. So the hot desert is found in Rajasthan. Cold desert is found in Leh Ladakh, in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. A desert may be unlike some deserts are almost totally without water. In such places, strong winds blow, raising heaps of sand and depositing them as mounds. Mounds are called sand dunes. Please remember this word, sand dunes. Okay. Now this desert area. What happens? The wind comes and takes away the topsoil and gathers in another place that is called the sand dunes. Okay, so sand dunes are there in the desert. So they may be in the height of a mountain also. This will be heaps of sand gathered because of the blowing wind. The wind blows and creates the heaps of sand. Okay. Now, these are called sand dunes that shift and move endlessly across the desert. So that is not fixed. This place there is a sand dune, but again it may be shifted to another place because of the wind. Again it may be shifted to another place like this. Few plants can survive in such dry shifting weird sands. So what will happen? Actually, if a plant will grow, it wants water, it wants nourishment, it wants fertile soil. But where will you get in the desert? So what happens? The plants they do not survive in the deserts. This is part one is over. Any doubt is there? You please convey to me.
No, sir, there is no doubts.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, let us go to the question answer part now. We will discuss. You please respond to me when I will ask. Okay. So you please again I am telling about deserts. You please remember. Then we will go to the question answers. Number one, if we are living in a area where more plants are there, we cannot imagine what is a desert. So a desert is endless stretch of sand. In the desert, there is no rainfall, no vegetation, no life. So it is dry, hot, waterless, and no shelter. But some people, the specialists, they tell that the desert also is a beautiful place like other places. It is also the house of a variety of people and animals. And if there is rain, there is less rain, but if there is rain, in the desert also flowers bloom. So desert is always changing the landform because of the sand dunes. By the wind, the surface sand gets shifted from here and there, and they gather in one place in heaps of sand. These are called sand dunes. Then also you will find oases inside the desert. What is an oasis? Oasis is like a green island in the middle of the desert. It is a fertile area. You will find water in springs or water in wells. So there trees will grow. Now you see, let us go to the comprehension check. From the first paragraph, B1. Pick out the two phrases which describe the desert and most people believe it is. Who will answer? Desert is.
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Yes. Desert can be an endless stretch of sand. Number one. Number two, it is dry, hot, waterless. You can send. Okay.
Option 1.
Sir, option 1.
First one, who will tell? So you studied the chapter silently.
Yes.
Okay. Did you study it? Okay. Number one, from the paragraph, pick out two phrases. Answer one, bit one. Phrases you are not having difficulty in writing, so I will write, don't worry. A. What are the phrases? Bit A, an endless stretch of sand. This one you can write. Okay, an endless stretch of sand. That is one phrase. Second one, B. Dry, hot, waterless, without land and shelter. So according to textbook, no. These phrases, two phrases I wrote. Please copy in the notebook. Desert is an endless stretch of sand. One. B. Dry, hot, waterless, without land and shelter. Correct. Please write down. Then a beat
This is the
number one, beat to answer.
What is the page number, sir?
Okay, please note down in the notebook. Others you will do, but only these two questions are there in part one. I will complete them in part two. You will write. Pick out two phrases which describe the desert as socialist. See it. The socialist see the desert
Sir?
as here also you can write two phrases.
What is the page number, sir?
Page number you please note down. It is 16 page. Page number 16 you please note down. So a desert also can be a beautiful place. So this is comprehension 1, bit 1 and bit 2. You please note down. Okay. A desert can be a beautiful place. Bit B, home to a variety of animals and plants. Okay. So for first one, what is the common people's idea about desert? Two places we wrote. Second one, what is the specialist idea of desert? They think that desert is a beautiful place. Second, B, home to a variety of animals and plants. If you write, that will be a positive point. Please note down.
Noted, sir.
Okay, let us go to the third one. What do you think
Noted,
the
sir.
is an apt description and why? We think the second one. Second is the most. This is the most apt description. Okay. So we have given two choices, and among the two choices, the second one is the most proper description of a desert. This is comprehension check one is over. Let us go to the second one. You please note down. We will go to the second one.
Noted, sir.
Okay, all are written.
Noted, sir.
Very nice. So second one, I will write on the board. All of you please copy. Okay. Please write in fair handwriting, no double work, because children, you know, time is very precious. Don't waste time. You please write once only question answers. Keep it. Book also you keep ready. In exam time, you will read and go. There will be no problem for you. Okay. Now second one. I will drop first. See, page number 17. Answer 2. Okay. Box A. Box. ये नया है, ये पुराना फॉर्मूला है, पुराना नहीं है, पुराना ये नया नहीं है, मेरा पहले यार जैसा आप उसको समझा देते हो, पहले अक्सर अभी ढाका था, तो अक्सर पुराना फॉर्मूला कर दी, नया फॉर्मूला ढाका कर दिया, तो अभी क्या है सर? मैं जिसका चार्ज नहीं किसी ठीक है ना? Okay. And endless. Let's of sand. Nothing but sand, edge, higher edge, one can see. So direct answer I am writing an endless stretch of sand, nothing but sand. As far as edge, okay, you please see this. This one you see, children, this table. Waterless without center. No water and no sand. Please note down waterless, no water and no sand. An oasis.
fertile
Okay. Oasis is fertile place with water and plants in a desert. Please note down.
place with water and plants in a
Fertile
desert.
place with water and plants. Water and plants.
Hidden by TV not visible
In a
because the
desert.
grass is thick.
ठीक है. Fourth one, you can do yourself. Hidden by a cover of grass. Which one will be?
Sir, please cite.
Okay.
Noted, sir.
What will be fourth? Who can tell?
Noted, sir.
Ah.
Noted, sir.
Okay. Yes. Second one. Very good. Not visible because the grass is thick. Okay, children. Not visible because the grass is thick. Please write down.
Noted, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Now some questions in Google I will send. You please do it.
Sir, what was written in first of second part?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now you see, before we conclude, please see the next one we will do in the next period. Part 2 will do in the next period. You please note down in the notebook. When you come to school, present the notebooks, mark will be awarded. Meanwhile, in Google class also, I will send some questions to you. Okay. So, desert and plants and animals learn to require much less water than most plants and animals. The camel is a typical desert animal. Smaller desert animals have unusual means of satisfying their need for water. As we know that in desert water is less. So the animals they live in the desert, they make some adjustment. How they make in part 2 we will read. Okay. Meanwhile, you revise the text once and doubt is there by WhatsApp you send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Noted, sir. Noted, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
So till
Bye,
4 5 minutes are there. Any doubt is there we can discuss.
Sir, What was
Yes.
written in the first question, second part? Specialists see
Yes.
desert as
Ah, yes. How do you? Which animal? Why the camel is called the sheep of the desert? Who can say? Which is called sheep of the desert? The camel. Why? Because
because
it will
he
drink.
adapted to the conditions of the desert.
Yes, yes. No, no. You should specifically tell that it can remain without food and water for months. Okay, it drinks at once, and for many days it remains without water. So it is rightly, and when there is a sandstorm. So what will happen, children? In desert, what will happen? Sandstorms will occur. Means that the sand will fly towards you in a very strong, by a strong wind, in a high speed. So at that time, what happens? The people, the desert slips, and under its belly, people also take shelter. It protects the people from the hot, dry sand and sandstorms. So people prefer to go in the camels in the desert. Other animal cannot protect you, and it can remain without food and water for months. Okay, so there it is. It can drink a lot of water in one time. It can remain with for days also. For days, not exactly for months, for days. So when there is a sandstorm, it will protect you. So it is called the sheep of the desert. Why it is being done? Because the reason is that they sweat very little. When we sweat, no, our body temperature remains constant, but we lose a lot of salt. But what happens? The camel does not sweat. As a result, they can stand high body temperature and they retain the water for long period of time. They retain the water in the body because there is no sweating. Okay, children. Any other doubt is there? No.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, please do in the notebook.
Okay, sir. All clear.
Please do in the notebook.
Yes, sir. No, done.
Okay, put a heading and index. Index you write in the index page number, topic number, question answer from to, and sign of the teacher as if it is a regular class. You keep all the records up to date. Anytime if you are coming to school, you have to show the records. Notebook also 5% mark is there. Please make it up to date. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other no other doubt is there? No.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
No doubt.
Yes, sir. Note down.
Sir, I am in doubt.
You tell me. What doubt?
सर द डेजर्ट चैप्टर में लास्ट में पेज नंबर 19 एक्सरसाइज है सर उधर लिखा है
हाँ.
डू द फॉलोइंग एक्टिविटीज इन ग्रुप्स तो सर वो हमको नोटबुक्स
नहीं
में
नहीं.
करना
Now
है
we are not doing that. Now only up to page number 17 you do. That is part 2. 19 afterwards you will see. Up to 17 we are doing today. So up to 17 you do. I have written the objective answers. You please copy. Then part 2 we will do in another period. At that time we will write. You have to write because notebook submission mark is there. So we cannot avoid it. We have to write.
ओके सर
Okay, children, I am closing the mic.